In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lucidchart dark mode in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain or simply prefer a sleek dark interface, we'll cover all the steps needed to transform your Lucidchart experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to lucidchart.com. Once there, log into your account. If you haven't already, just enter your email address and password. Clicking the login button will take you right into the Lucidchart homepage. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Documents section. Here, you will see all your recent documents at a glance. Select any document you'd like to work on by clicking it, then click Open. This action will open your document in a new tab, ready for editing. In the opened document, it's time to move on to the settings to change the appearance. Right-click anywhere on the canvas within your document. A menu will pop up, and from there select Document Settings. In the Settings panel, locate the option labelled Background Color. Click on it to pull up the Color Selection menu. Here comes the fun part, choosing your dark color. Look through the available options and pick a dark shade that appeals to your taste. This selection will instantly update your canvas background to that color, giving the document the desired dark theme. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click the X button to close the color menu. Your chart is now successfully in dark mode, and you'll immediately notice how much easier it is on the eyes, especially if you often work in low light environments. There's also an alternative method to enable dark mode, which involves changing your browser settings. If your browser supports system dark mode preferences, head over to the appearance settings within your browser. Look for the option that says dark mode and enable it. This might automatically alter the theme of compatible web apps, including Lucidchart. This setting can be particularly handy if you wish all your web experiences to follow a unified dark theme. There you have it. You now know two methods to enable dark mode in Lucidchart. The first one allows you to change it manually within the app itself, while the second method provides an automatic